Hello everyone. Hi, good evening. Welcome to Krishna House of Silver. I am Manish from Krishna House of Silver, Jubilee Hills, road number 36. So today I have brought a completely new collection with gold and silver mix, gold polish with silver mix. You can have a look. Completely new concept. You can see this is a puja plate. You can use it in multi-purpose. And one Ashtalakshmi binde. You can use this as kalsham. And also Ashtalakshmi chambu I have brought for you. And one flower basket with Ashtalakshmi concept, and also Kamakshi Deepam. This is totally new concept with gold polish and silver mix. Yeah, and this is also totally new concept, cow and calf, silver and gold polish. And now I will show you the latest collection in our store. Comes here Lakshmi Ganesh. This is called Ganga Jamuna polish with totally silver and highlighted with gold polish. And last here comes the elephant Deepam with gold polish. Okay, I'll detailedly tell you about everything. First, I'll introduce our logo. This is Krishna House of Silver. This is our logo. We are located at Jubilee Hills, road number 36. This is our Instagram and Facebook site, and virtual shopping is also available. You can contact us on 6309009596 and 93929188847. All over India, we do free shipping. International shipping is also available with us, but with some terms and conditions. Now I'll detailedly explain you about each and every product. First, I will start with Ashtalakshmi Binde. This is totally new concept with black nakshi and gold polish. And it is completely in Binde shape. So you can use this also as kalsham. You can see the beautiful carving on it with Gajalakshmi and all Ashtalakshmis on it. You can see the opening also. Inside also it is beautifully crafted. You can see the complete workmanship with deep nakshi on it with the embossed Lakshmis. All types of Lakshmis are available in this. Yeah. And next comes the chambu. This is we can use as kalsham and also as chambu. Multi-purpose we can use. This is complete new concept with white nakshi and gold polish with Lakshmi embossing on it. This is also a beautiful piece with highlighted designs. You can see. Actually, this is now the latest trending with white nakshi and gold polish. Everyone are preferring. So for any queries, you can contact us on our number. We'll clear your queries. Opening also is very broad, so that the coconut also you can place very comfortably with mango leaves on it.
Deepa ma'am asking price. Deepa.
Yeah, hello Deepa ma'am, good evening. Thank you for watching our live. So the weight of the product is 935 grams. You will be getting this product approx 91,000 approx. Thank you for contacting. And here next comes the flower basket. This is also with the same concept with white nakshi and gold polish with Lakshmi embossing Lakshmi on it. You can see the beautiful face also, how it is neatly carved. Actually the total puja room looks comes with this by placing flowers in this. Inside also you can see neatly crafted. Yeah. So the weight of the product is 612 grams. Actually this is done in lightweight. 600 grams. You can see.
Rakesh Jain is asking cost of Lakshmi Ganesh.
Okay sir. Hello Rakesh sir. Good evening. Thank you for watching our live and contacting us. The weight of the Ganesh idol is 809. The weight of the Ganesh idol is 893 grams. You will be getting this in approx 90,000. For complete details and estimation, you can contact us on our number 6309009596.
Please take a screenshot.
Please take a screenshot and contact us so we can send you the exact estimation and we'll give the best price. Lakshmi also you can see. Actually Lakshmi Ganesh both are so with complete antique work and Ganga Jamuna polish. The total this pair of Lakshmi Ganpati can change the entire look of the puja room. Actually you can see so beautiful. Yeah. Next comes the Kamakshi Deepam with all 8 Ashtalakshmis on it.
Just explain.
With all Ashtalakshmis on it, and the oil content is also very good in this, so that the light will be on for few hours. You can see the Ashtalakshmis on it. In center it is Gajalakshmi and all more 7 Lakshmis surrounding. With new elephant also is neatly crafted with Nakshi design down. And complete mirror polish and easy to wash and easy to maintain. And don't use any chemicals on where the gold polish is there. Don't use any chemicals, please. Just you can wash on the where you can pour oil.
Chaitanya ma'am asking price, please.
Chaitanya ma'am, good evening. Thank you for contacting us. Actually the price of this Kamakshi Deepam is 540 grams. So you'll be getting this in approx 55,000. Please take a screenshot and contact us on our number. We'll give the estimation and best price. No. Thank you ma'am. Thank you for contacting. And next comes the cow and calf. Actually this is in very lightweight, 847 grams. Heavy look but lightweight. With same mirror polish, mirror finish and Ganga Jamuna gold polish on it. With center matte finish they have given, you can see. The face of the cow is also neatly crafted. You can have a complete look. Complete mirror polish. Highlighted with gold polish on it. Deep Nakshi. The weight of the cow and calf is 847.5 grams. For any further queries, you can contact us on our number. We will help you out. And next comes the elephant Deepam. Actually, you would have seen this in Nakshi work. Actually, this is the new concept with gold and white silver. The elephant is also neatly crafted. The oil content is also very good. With a nice gold polished peacock. Very beautiful piece, ma'am. The pair of this will be approx lightweight only. 600 grams pair you will be getting. The pair comes with 600 grams approx you will be getting in 60,000 approx. You can see the pair. This is very beautiful design and new concept. And next comes the puja plate. Next comes the puja plate. This is totally new concept, ma'am. I'll explain you. Actually, this you can use in 3 types. But first, you can use this as puja plate. If after the puja, you can use this also as urli. Pour water in this and keep flowers and keep in the hall. It will look very nice. This is totally very new, brand new product in our store. You can also see the Lakshmi Mata on it, so like very crafted beautifully. You can see, I'll slowly show you the design with nice white Nakshi work and gold polish on it. And the shape also is like lotus, so it is very attractive. And it also comes with the weight of 1200 grams. Approx you will be getting this in 1,15,000. For any queries you can contact us on our number. We'll give you the exact estimation and you can take this beautiful product. Actually this type of product is very rare it comes. You can also see the finishing inside, mirror finish. In center you can see the gold polish.
Damayanti ma'am asking price.
Pardon, name?
Damayanti.
Ramyanti. Hello Ramyanti ma'am, good evening. Thank you for contacting us and watching our live. She's asking price. Approx price would be like 1,15,000 and it may vary up and down from silver rate. So you can contact us on our number 6309009596 or next 93929188847. We'll clear your queries and give you the exact price with estimation. Thank you ma'am. Thank you for
gram of today rate.
Today silver rate is per gram 68.5 rupees per gram.
Damayanti asking where are you from?
Hello Damayanti ma'am, we are from Hyderabad, Jubilee Hills, road number 36, located opposite to Beyond Coffee Shop. Yeah. Or if you are interested, there is no worries ma'am, all over India we do free shipping. Even international shipping is also available, but with some terms and conditions. Yes ma'am. So once have a light look what the products I have shown you. Chuba.
Sudha ma'am asking what is the gram rate today?
Hello Sudha ma'am, good evening. Thank you for watching our live. Today the gram rate is 68.5 rupees per gram. So kg will be 68,500. Yeah. So have a look on the products which I have shown you. Please have a look. So here comes the puja plate, approx 1200 grams. Here comes the binde, approx 1 kg. And today the highlight product of our live is Lakshmi Ganpati. So beautiful only. And binde, small chambu, Ashtalakshmi chambu around 935 grams. And flower basket around 640 grams. And Kamakshi Deepam with Ashtalakshmi and cow and calf. Hope you all liked our products ma'am. Thank you for watching our live and thank you for watching our live. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.